This is Codecademy. I'm working on Introduction to JavaScript. I'm currently doing 7 properties. This is level 1, it's part 7. Properties. When you introduce a new piece of data into a JavaScript program, the browser saves it as an instance of that data type. Yes, as a creation of that data type is what they're saying. Every string instance has the property called length that stores the number of characters in that string. You can retrieve property information by appending the string with a period and the property name. So this is stuff already built into our data types, already built in. When we create a string, the computer already has this stuff pre-built in. So we don't have to make a program that will count each individual character. It exists within string itself, and we would just put period dot length after string, and it will execute something that will give us the length of this string. This dot is another operator. We call it a dot operator. Yes, code's known for its creativity. In the example above, the value saved to the length property is retrieved from the instance of the string, from that specific string, hello. The program prints 5 to the console because hello has 5 characters in it. Use dot length to log the number of characters in the following string to the console, which is somewhat confusing because we often start counting at 0 in code, but you'll hear more about that later regardless. Ooh, teaching the world how to code. And then right after all that, we want dot length. And so we can have all these spaces and stuff. It's a string. The computer just outputs the text, but now it's going to look for the length, and it will include the spaces in its count. Let's make sure to end with a semicolon, and let's see how it goes. 30, that's looking great. And yep, success. So that's a really easy and quick way to get the length of strings. And it becomes increasingly useful as we move on to more complex tasks. Speaking of moving on, let's keep going.